While 90% of people will retire broke, living paycheck to paycheck until they die, there's a small group that builds generational wealth starting from nothing. The difference isn't intelligence, luck, or family money. It's that they understand the rules of money that schools don't teach and banks don't want you to know. Today I'm exposing all 10 rules that could change your financial future forever. Rule 1. Your job is your biggest financial risk. Everyone's taught that a job equals security, but your job is actually your biggest financial risk. One income source controlled by someone else who can eliminate it with 2 weeks' notice. The wealthy create multiple revenue sources, so if one disappears, they're still stable. Real security comes from having 5 income sources, not one employer. Rule 2. Debt is a tool, not a trap. Poor people avoid debt. Rich people use debt strategically. Bad debt takes money from your pocket, credit cards for vacations, car loans for depreciating vehicles. Good debt puts money in your pocket, rental properties where tenants pay your mortgage while you build equity. The wealthy use other people's money to buy income-generating assets. Rule 3. Your income means nothing without your savings rate. If you make $100,000 but save nothing, you're broke. If you make $50,000 but save $15,000, you're building wealth faster than most 6-figure earners. The wealthy focus on saving at least 20% of their income. It's easier to save money than make more money. Cutting expenses has immediate impact. Rule 4. The tax code is written for business owners. Employees pay taxes first, then live on what's left. Business owners earn money, spend on business expenses, then pay taxes on what's left. The tax code's 70,000 pages are mostly instructions on how to pay less taxes legally. Even employees can start side businesses and access tax benefits that save thousands annually. Rule 5. Your bank account loses money every day. Your savings account earns 0.5% while inflation runs 3 to 4% annually. Your purchasing power decreases by 3% every year. Banks use your deposits to make 5 to 7% loans while paying you almost nothing. They're using your money to get rich while you get poorer. The wealthy invest everything beyond emergency funds in assets that beat inflation. Rule 6. Insurance companies sell fear, not protection. The insurance industry makes $1.3 trillion by selling products you'll likely never use. Term life insurance costs 10 to 20 times less than whole life for the same death benefit. The wealthy buy insurance for catastrophic events they can't afford, then self-insure by building wealth instead of paying premiums for unlikely scenarios. Rule 7. Compound interest works for you or against you. Invest $500 monthly starting at 25, you'll have $1.3 million by 65. Start at 35, you'll have $600,000. That 10-year delay costs $700,000. But compound interest also destroys you with debt. A $5,000 credit card balance takes 47 years to pay off with minimums and costs $13,000 in interest. Rule 8. The stock market isn't gambling when you know this. The wealthy don't pick stocks or time the market. They invest in index funds that track the entire market for decades. Over any 20-year period, the S&P 500 has never lost money. Average return, 10% annually. Time in the market beats timing the market. Rule 9. Your network determines your net worth. Poor people surround themselves with broke people who normalize broke behavior. Rich people surround themselves with wealthy people who normalize wealth building. Your environment becomes your reality. The wealthy join masterminds and build relationships with other investors because opportunities come through people, not luck. Rule 10. You're already rich, you just don't know it. The average American earns $2 million over their lifetime. You already have access to the same wealth-building tools as millionaires: stocks, real estate, businesses, compound interest. The difference is they use these tools while most people ignore them. Here's what I want you to do right now. Calculate your lifetime earnings potential. Take your current income, multiply by 40 years, and see that number. That's your wealth potential. The question isn't whether you have access to wealth, it's whether you'll keep it and invest it or spend it all and retire broke like 90% of people. The system profits when you stay ignorant about money. Banks profit when you keep cash in low-interest accounts. Credit card companies profit when you carry balances. Insurance companies profit when you buy unnecessary policies. The government profits when you don't use legal tax strategies. But when you understand these 10 rules, you flip the script and start building wealth instead of making everyone else rich. Your financial future isn't determined by your current situation, it's determined by your financial education and the actions you take starting today. See you in the next video.